Today I will cover order of operations to solve mathematical problem. So how we start to solve any mathematical problem? We need to follow some specific order of operation to solve mathematical problem. We will use short form BEDMAS. What is this BEDMAS? In this BEDMAS, B means bracket. So we will solve first anything in the bracket when we start to solve any mathematical problem. Second is E for exponent. Third is D for division and M for multiplication. If division comes first from left to right side, then we will do division, or multiplication comes first from left to right side, we will do multiplication. Next, A for addition and S for subtraction. For addition and subtraction, whatever comes first from left to right hand side, we will perform that operation. Means if addition comes first, we will do addition. If subtraction comes first, we will do subtraction. Now we will check the examples for better understanding. First example, 3 minus 7 plus 6. So here we can see there is nothing in bracket, there is no exponent, there is no division or multiplication. But here we can see there is A for addition and subtraction. So first comes the subtraction, so we will perform the subtraction. So 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4 plus 6. Here in the 3 minus 7, 7 is greater value than 3 and 7 is negative, so answer is negative. Here we can see 1 is positive sign, 1 is negative sign, so we need to do subtraction. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, but greater value is positive, so answer is plus 2. Now next example, 6 divided by 3 in the bracket 2 plus 4. Now we will follow the BEDMAS. So B for bracket, we need to solve first bracket. So here the bracket 2 plus 4, so 2 plus 4 is 6. So 6 divided by 3 in the bracket 6. Now here we can see the bracket, but it is solved already, it is the simplified form 6 only. Then there is no exponent, but there is division and multiplication. As we know from left to right hand side, division is coming first, so we will solve this one. Note this multiplication. So here 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So 2 in the bracket 6. Now only multiplication. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Now next example. Negative 4 minus 3 in the bracket 18 divided by negative 3 to the power of 2. Close the bracket. Here we will follow the BEDMAS again. Here B for bracket. So this value is in bracket. So we will solve this one first. In the bracket 1 is division and 1 is the exponent. So in the bracket we will again follow the BEDMAS. So B is bracket. So here it is already the simplest form, negative 3. Next is exponent. So we need to solve this exponent first. So minus 3 multiply with minus 3 is equal to positive 9. Minus minus positive value. So we can write like this, negative 4 minus 3 in the bracket 18 divided by 9. Now again we will follow the BEDMAS. B for bracket. So in the bracket there is 18 divided by 9. Then E for exponent. So there is no exponent in this bracket. Then D for division. So there is division. So we will solve this division first. So 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. So next step is negative 4 minus 3 in the bracket 2. Again BEDMAS in the bracket everything is simplest form, negative 4 and 2. So after bracket there is exponent, there is no exponent. Then D for division, there is no division. There is multiplication. Yes, there is multiplication. 3 times 2 is 6. So minus 4 minus 6. So we can write like this, negative 4 plus in the bracket negative 6. Here plus minus is equal to negative sign. Now there is addition of negative 4 to negative 6. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. And both are negative sign, so answer is in negative. So answer negative 10. So next example, negative 7 over 2 minus 1 over 4 divided by 4 over 7 minus 1 over 4. Here we will apply BEDMAS. So B for bracket. So there is nothing in bracket, no exponent. Then D for division. There is division. Here we can see the division. Now we know for division of fraction, we can convert this one to the multiplication. So here 4 over 7, we will convert it to 7 over 4. So this division sign will convert into the multiplication. So next we can write like this, negative 7 over 2 minus 1 over 4 multiply 7 over 4. And after it is same thing, minus 1 over 4. So here we can see next is multiplication. So we will solve this one. So 1 multiply with 7 is equal to 7. 4 multiply with 4 is equal to 16. So next is negative 7 over 2 minus 7 over 16 minus 1 over 4. Now there is no bracket, exponent, division or multiplication, but next is addition or subtraction, but there is no addition even, so only subtraction. So as we know, we go from left to right. So first we will solve this one. There is different denominator, one is 2 and one is 16. So we will multiply this 2 with 8, so it will be 16. That means we need to multiply this negative 7 over 2 with 8 over 8. So next is negative 56 divided by 16 minus 7 divided by 16, and after that minus 1 over 4. As I told you, in this step multiply with 8 over 8, that means 7 multiplied with 8 is equal to 56. So this is negative 56 divided by 8 times 2 is equal to 16, and this value from the previous step. Now same denominator 16, so here we can perform subtraction of numerators. These are the numerators. So is equal to negative 56 minus 7 divided by 16 minus 1 over 4. So we can write like this, negative 63 divided by 16 minus 1 over 4. Again same thing here, denominator are different, one is 16, one is 4. So we need to multiply this one with 4 over 4. So next step, negative 63 minus this 1 times 4 is equal to 4, and 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So same denominator 16 here. So is equal to negative 67 divided by 16. It is the simplest form. Hope this video helped you understand BEDMAS. Subscribe and like the video if you want more lessons.